This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Charger front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure your workspace is well lit and safe. Having a friend or family member to help support the bumper during removal can make the process much easier and prevent accidental damage. Next, you'll want to remove the front wheels. This provides much better access to the fender liner fasteners. Carefully detach all the screws and clips holding the fender liners in place. As you work, be sure to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or parking sensors. Take your time to avoid damaging the wiring. Now, it's time to remove the main fasteners. Locate and carefully remove all the bolts that secure the bumper to the vehicle's frame. Don't forget to unclip any fasteners holding the grille and the upper bumper cover. Always double-check for any hidden clips or screws, especially underneath the vehicle, to ensure everything is free. Finally, with all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. Make sure all remaining clips are completely disengaged. Once free, carefully place the bumper on a soft, protected surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Before reinstallation, take a moment to inspect all clips and mounting points for any wear or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.